Sources are telling Times now that the BJP will boycott the all-party meeting on Lokpal that the government has convened for the 3rd of July. The BJP at this point in time feeling that there is simply no consensus between the government and civil society, saying that there is nothing on the table for concrete discussion. This even as Anna Hazare is expected to meet senior BJP leaders on the 1st of July as part of their drive to enlist support for their version of the Jan Lokpal draft. The BJP has been consistent on its one stand as far as the Lokpal draft meeting discussions were also concerned, saying that the opposition at no point in time had been brought on board those discussions, keeping it very clear that they were miffed with the government ignoring them. We have Navika Kumar, our political editor, joining us live from the capital for more on the story. Navika, the BJP making their stand pretty clear here. It's quite a hit as far as discussions for the Lokpal is concerned.
Yes, that's right. Even ahead of that all-party meeting that has been called by the government on the 3rd of July, the BJP almost ready with their decision. They're unlikely to attend that all-party meeting. They're likely to boycott that meeting. In fact, senior BJP leaders have also been in touch with leaders of other political parties in the parliament to get a consensus on what they should do. The feeling between the non-Congress, non-UPA parties really being that the government and civil society are engaged in a war of words. There is no final draft and they don't want at this stage that other political parties be brought in and blamed for not taking the Lokpal bill forward. So it's a very clear political choice. The opposition parties led by the BJP don't want at this stage the government to put the blame on the doorstep of the opposition parties, trying to stop the Lokpal bill from going ahead. And that's why the BJP clearly saying that the government needs to make up its mind. In fact, this letter was written by BJP President Nitin Gadkari to the Finance Minister only early this month. And he said there that once the final draft is ready, the opposition parties will be willing to discuss, but it would not be proper for parties and parliamentarians to start submitting their opinions to others and then subject them to objection or rejection. And that's not what the BJP is going to do. What we do understand, Anna Hazare and his team are likely to meet the BJP top leaders in the BJP headquarters on the 1st of July. On the 2nd of July, the BJP will call NDA meeting and a final decision will only be taken in the evening of 2nd July. But almost the mind as far as the BJP is concerned made up. They're likely to boycott the all-party meeting that has been called on the 3rd of July on the issue of the final draft of the Lokpal bill.
All right, Navika, thanks very much for bringing us all those details.